Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best beard trimmers. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the SUPRENT Beard Trimmer Kit. Charging dock design. The dock keeps it always ready to go. There was nothing worse with your previous trimmers than finding them with no charge and having to wait for them to be ready. Moving and standing blades run together. The 420 stainless steel moving and standing blades with precision gap, deep close to the skin, more pruning and low friction heat, doesn't produce high temperature scalded your skin. 2-point pressing cutter replacement button. Bare flame retardant PC button with anti-deformation MN steel spring built in that you can operate, lock and trip smoothly. Replace the cutter just with thumb and index finger, only need 2 seconds. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Philips Norelco Multigroom MG3750. Best affordable beard trimmer. This beard trimmer offers loads of functions for simply $20. It comes with 9 attachments, together with hair guards, beard guards and precision trimmers for ear and nostril hair. It makes use of a lithium-ion battery that provides a first-rate hour-long runtime, and the trimmer's metal blades are self-polishing and cleanable. For folks who like trimmers that are noticeably clean to take care of, this one doesn't require users oil the blades. At number 3, we have the Braun Multi-Grooming Kit MGK3045. This compact trimmer can preserve up with the fine. It comes with 5 attachments and can trim beards from 0.5 mm to 21 mm in 2 mm increments. The battery promises 1 hour of runtime and a LED indicator at the cope with shows the battery life. Thankfully, this trimmer is fully washable, making on-the-go cleanup a breeze. It's also small enough to be packed right into a dock package without disturbing your contemporary grooming products. At number 2, we have the Andis Outliner. If you need a precision trimmer to touch up your neck, beard and mustache, this is a solid choice. Inside the heavy-duty housing, a quiet magnetic motor powers carbon metal blades designed for years of use. Weighing in at 11.5 ounces, this trimmer is easy on the arms for extended use. The Outliner is good for dry shaving, but make sure to oil the blade before each use to ensure a very good trim. And finally, at number 1, we have the Panasonic ERB80S. Best washable beard trimmer. This trimmer has 39 adjustable settings to first-rate music your grooming. Recurring rubberized dial controls the settings in 0.5 mm increments from 0.5 mm to 20 mm. The stainless steel blades are washer friendly and a convenient water drain lets in brief cleaning after each use. While the battery will last simply shy of an hour, a LED fee indicator on the take care of shows the strength level as to no longer depart you stranded inside the middle of a trim. The attachments that include the ERB80S are designed for closer facial hair trimming, longer beard styles and precision frame hair grooming. Panasonic also equipped the trimmer with a rubberized manage that fits comfortably in bigger palms. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this beard trimmers, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.